How to prepare your molded melon, akpurakpu, egusi, akpurakpu, elile, whatever you call it in your own dialect. Yes, based on popular demand for this video, and here it is. So tell me thank you in the comment section. So to prepare this, you will be needing your egusi and what we call usu, a little salt, a little pepper, and of course your hot water or your warm water. You can also use cold water, but please, if you know you are still a learner, don't use cold water. It will make it very difficult for you. So just use your warm or hot water. So you mix your egusi, usu, little salt and pepper together. Mix thoroughly and start kneading like you're kneading your dough for your chin chin or your donut. So you're going to be adding your water bit by bit. Don't put too much quantity at a time so that you don't end up with the wrong texture of the akpurakpu egusi. This thing, you need a lot of strength to do this thing. No be waiting you go do when you never chop before. At this point, I was using all my strength to mix this, because as you are mixing, it will be getting tougher. So you use your strength. Normally for my village, now mortar they take do this thing, but all this one now city style now what they do for here. At this point, I've gotten the right texture that I want. I've removed the oil. By the time you know that this is properly ready, you will get a tough dough and also your oil. This thing can produce an oil for you that you use and cook food. That's what I was explaining here in this video. Sorry, I removed the oil. I didn't film the parts, the oil that came out from it. You could use it to make a delicious stew or whatever you want to use it to do, but you can see some of the oil on my palm there. So the dough is ready. At this point, you will start molding into your desired shape. Some people can make a bigger size, like a double of the size that I'm making. I prefer this moderate size for myself. My own people, please like, comment and share this video for me if you've not. So at intervals, you'll be touching the hot water before molding, so to avoid the egusi, the akpurakpu sticking to your hands and making it faster. So at this point, I'm already getting done with all my egusi, and your sister is dancing and rejoicing because, as I told you, this thing no be easy. So I was dancing and telling my son to film the egusi, make him film the akpurakpu very, very well, because as I told you, it's not easy. If your egusi is ready to this point, you know that your soup is 60% ready, because this is the major part of the ofe achara, ofe egusi, ofe elile, ofe okazi, depending on what you call it. The name they numerous. When you're done molding all your egusi, you add it to your soup base, which will be boiling. Make sure it is boiling very, very well before adding your egusi. If not, it will pieces. So you leave this to cook for 15 to 20 minutes on a high heat, and voila, your egusi is done and ready. So please like, comment and share this video if it was helpful to you, and tell me if you will be trying this recipe in the comment section. Love you.